it's me, Olivia again. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to take photos from your iPhone and export them to Shutterfly. From Shutterfly, you should be able to order printable, tangible versions of your photos. If you're anything like my grandparents, you'd like to have a tangible version of a photo in order to put them around the house or in a photo album. All you're going to need for this video is your iPhone. Let's get started. All right, so first thing you're going to want to do is locate the App Store app on your iPhone. Then just click on that, go up to the search bar and type in Shutterfly. Then you should be able to scroll down. It'll be that second app that says Shutterfly Cards and Gifts. Click the Get button and it should download relatively quickly. Next, click Open, and that will lead you right into our app. So if you already have a Shutterfly account, that's going to be great. If not, then just click the Join Shutterfly button, which is what I had to do. Then you're just going to want to type in your first name. Then go ahead, type in your last name, next your email address. I just did our company email. Definitely use your own personal one, then create a password that you'll be able to remember, maybe write it down. Okay, so finally click sign up. It should begin to create an account for you. So I click get started, choose photos to access. I ended up just saving my password, so it saves onto my iPhone. Now finally do click that choose photos, say allow access to all photos. It'll then access your entire camera roll. You can do a few things here. I first just tried the upload button and it showed me all my different albums. I just picked my family's Spain and Portugal trip album, clicked on that real fast. In the top right hand corner, click select all and then just tap every photo that you do want to upload. This is just one way to do it. Once you're done selecting those, click upload in the corner, then just say start uploading. That should take just a moment, so have some patience. And you can see that it starts popping up an S at every photo as it's uploading. That's a pretty good way to tell what's going on. All right, so once those are done, I'm going to show you the other way you can do it. Go to the photos on the bottom, and now you'll be able to see your entire camera roll. I just scrolled up to some photos that maybe I'd want to develop. I'm not actually going to end up ordering these. I'm searching, and okay, here are some of the business headshots I recently took, me and my friend. So what I then did is I clicked the select in the top right hand corner, and then again I just tapped on every single photo that I would want to print out. Alright, so once I did that, I clicked on the bottom left-hand corner, Order Products, and then you can choose which size of print you wanted. I personally chose a 5x7 print. These are 89 cents each, so really not too expensive at all. Alright, so once you decide what to do, select that, and then you can choose the quantity of each print you want. So if you want a couple of each photo, you can just click that plus sign under the individual photo you want multiple of. I then scrolled down, decided I wanted one of these photos of myself twice. Alright, then click add to cart, and then finally go to checkout, and you will be able to put in your credit card information, your billing address, all of that. Once you're done filling that out, click next. It should be added to your cart, and then Shutterfly will then ship it to your house. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that it was helpful and that you're now able to take photos from your iPhone and turn them into printable versions that you can put around the house or in a photo album. Stay tuned for the next video, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.